In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chart data in Tradingview using the trading panel, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can quickly grab your chart data for analysis in a spreadsheet, a database, or your favorite analytics tool. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused on the essentials. Start on any chart in Tradingview. To begin, look toward the bottom of the screen and open the trading panel. This is the area where account connections and order tools live. If it's collapsed, click the Trading Panel tab to expand it so you can see your available broker or paper trading connection. Give the panel a second to load if it's the first time you're opening it in this session. Inside the Trading Panel, click the broker name that's displayed. This might show your connected broker or the built-in paper trading option, depending on your setup. You're not placing an order here. This click simply opens the menu associated with that connection, where Tradingview keeps extra options related to your account and data. After you click the broker name, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu includes several account-related actions. What you're looking for is the option labeled Export Data. It might sit alongside other items like account settings or connection details, but Export Data is the one you want for downloading the current chart's historical information. Click Export Data. As soon as you do, Tradingview will package up the data from the chart you're currently viewing and start a download. The file will arrive as a CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. CSV files open easily in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most data analysis programs. The export typically contains columns such as time, open, high, low, close, and volume, reflecting the exact symbol and time frame you have selected on the chart. If you need a different interval or a different market, just make sure you've set that on the chart before exporting. Once the download finishes, check your default downloads folder, unless your browser prompts you to choose a location. From there, you can open the CSV, sort or filter it, create pivot tables, or import it into whatever workflow you prefer. If you don't see the export data option, ensure the trading panel is fully expanded and you've clicked directly on the active broker row. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.